Dog food alert. On June 13, 2021, Freshpet Incorporated of New Jersey recalled a single lot of Freshpet dog food due to potential contamination with Salmonella bacteria. The recalled dog food is Freshpet Select Small Dog Bite-Sized Beef and Egg Recipe. The package size is 1 pound bags. The sell-by date is 10/30/2021. Please like and subscribe to receive the latest videos, especially about dog food alerts. The recalled dog food is Freshpet Select for Small Dogs Bite-Sized Beef and Egg Recipe. Check sell-by date on the back of the Freshpet package. No other Freshpet products nor lot codes are impacted by this recall. The recalled products may have been sold at Publix in Florida, Publix in South Carolina, Publix in Georgia, Target in Arizona, Target in Southern California. The contaminated dog food product was accidentally shipped to retailers between June 7th to June 10th, 2021. If pet parents have products matching the contaminated dog food, stop feeding it to your dog and dispose of it immediately. Call the company at 1-866-789-3737 Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Saturday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or visit www.freshpet.com. Request a refund at this web address. U.S. citizens can report complaints to FDA-regulated pet food products at the FDA website. Please like and subscribe to receive the newest videos, especially about dog food alerts. Have a great day. Woof woof.